In this video, we're going to show you how to return RealBand into factory settings. First, you're going to want to ensure RealBand is fully closed. Best way to ensure that the program is fully closed is by bringing up your task manager by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete. This will bring up your task manager, and you can double check to make sure there is no instances of RealBand currently running on your computer. Once RealBand is fully closed, you're going to want to go into your Windows Explorer next. In Windows 10, this can be found as a yellow file folder on the bottom left of your taskbar, or if you press the Windows key in between Control and Alt on the bottom left of your keyboard, and E as in Echo, that will bring up your Windows Explorer. Again, that is the Windows key and E as in Echo. Once we have the File Explorer open, we're going to be looking for your RealBand folder. Typically, this will be in the same area as your main BB, in a different one altogether. Once we locate your RealBand folder, we're going to be looking for a couple of files. realband.ini and rb.cfg. Once you have the RealBand folder up, you could always take a look for it on the top right in the search bar here. And once you find the proper file, you'll be able to find it here. You'll be able to know this is the right file by seeing the type is a CFG file. And from here, just highlight it by selecting it and right-click and delete. You're going to want to also do this with realband.ini, select it, right-click, and delete. This should revert RealBand back to factory settings, as well as revert all preference files back. This should resolve many common issues that you may have just using RealBand over time, and resetting it to factory settings will bring the program back to as it originally was when you installed it.